Hello, my name is Alex Ogden. I'm a forensic science major and I'm from Ellisville. My favorite thing is that a lot of the equipment is newer and the way they plan the classes works more like how it will work in the lab, so you feel like you're getting more hands-on experience rather than just like textbook experience. The professors don't cover stuff that you already know and just do the stuff that you don't know. So a lot of them do like flipped classroom techniques where we read outside of class and figure out like what we want to understand more about or what we don't understand. And then in class, we specifically just ask about the stuff that we don't understand. So that way we get more in-depth focus on stuff that we're like actually wanting to learn. There's forensics biology courses and forensics chemistry courses. And in those classes, we do labs specifically over like the forensic techniques used in the lab. So I'm getting more hands-on experience here rather than just like relying on textbook knowledge when I would go to a job. If you're looking to work in like a forensic science field or like learn forensic science, then Maryville is a very good school and you should definitely come check it out.